It doesn't really matter what the new process is. It's really difficult to get people to change their ways. With the Reynolds integration, it takes that away because they don't have a choice, but also they don't have to put forth any effort. They go to write the work order, the information's there. So it just becomes naturally part of the process. My name is Micah Baalbargen. I'm the fixed ops director for the group. We have Chevrolet, that's here in Tomball, and then in Kingwood we also have a Mazda and a Kia dealership. Parkway, they're kind of a unique group because they have a lot of the elements of a bigger corporation, but yet it's still family owned.
My name is Forbes Durdin. I'm the Vice President of Parkway Auto Group. My dad purchased Parkway Chevrolet in 1979. I think service is the key. They always say sales sells the first car, service sells the second and third. So if you don't have a strong service department, why would your customers come back? I definitely think that car dealers have to be in the tire business in order to succeed in the service business. I think integration is important with any system and process. And the easier you can make it on the people that are actually following the process, I think the more successful you're going to be. One of the things I like about connected equipment is that it allows your advisor to do what they do best, which is to sell and advise on somebody's needs.
I'm Brianna Pavlicek. I am a service writer here for Parkway Family Kia. I went from about 10 alignments a month, maybe 12 on a great month, to about 25 to 30 in the same month, once the integration happened with Reynolds and us getting this Hunter machine. I love it. It took me from never being able to sell an alignment to always being able to sell an alignment, honestly. And it allowed me to be able to expand and feel comfortable.
We have some reporting that we like to look at that compares us to different similar groups. And it seems like every time we do, we're always drawn to where we stand out is in our alignment sales. So for us, we really consider tires and of course alignment sales go with that to be almost the pulse of the service center. The owner has often told me that he can tell the health of a service department by their tire sales. And it's one of those things that we all want to focus on. We really don't sell tires for revenue. We sell the tires for retention. And then we sell the alignments to go with it to make the revenue. So it's kind of the perfect combination of products. I think the system does give us a competitive advantage because even those customers that perhaps were loyal to the big chain stores, they see that we actually have some technology that even they don't have.
In order to do that, we needed to have the facility that could help promote that. So we built a quick maintenance facility, and one of the things that was lacking is tire sales. And so we thought this would be a good way to promote tire sales and alignments, and that's done exactly that. So the GoMoto process is a kiosk that customers could check in themselves. And the integration into the Hunter Quick Checks is that it actually will tell a customer and alert them that whether they need an alignment or tires, and then they get to write it up themselves. And so when we talk about service advisors following a process, well, now you're getting your customers to follow the process and they instantly have buy-in. I think the GoMoto winds up allowing the people that are tech savvy, that want to get in and out, it helps promote that. It provides a consistent process that people can follow, including your customers, that allow them to check by themselves whether their vehicle is in alignment, if they need tires, they can see it themselves. So one of my feelings about Hunter is it's a good technology brand. We use a lot of their equipment in our service department, and I think they're a go-to company.
When we make our equipment decisions, it's really nice to have a team that we know they're kind of on the cutting edge of what they do, and somebody that we can trust when we reach out to. We've definitely realized a return on investment. Certainly it's driven tire sales, it's driven alignment sales, but it's also just kind of helped to improve process. If you're in a dealership and you haven't looked at the Hunter Quick Check, you just got to see what you're missing, because it's going to generate revenue, it's going to pay for itself, but again, there's a lot of benefits you won't even realize until you see it in action.